All right, hold it steady. Okay, let's take it out. Don't it. Moving away now. All right, push it up. Higher just a little bit. Lock it in. Tight. Got it. Perfect. Keep down with it. Up the line. Hit it again. Harder this time. All right, stand clear. Look down below. It's going to be good. Smooth sound. Good work. All right, slowly now. Easy. Watch that edge. Perfect. Give it a good push. In. All in. Keep leveraging it. Got my grip. Push harder. It's ready now. Almost free. Mind the broken wood there. Heavy. Watch your step. Let's get this floorboard up. I'll clean up the dust here. Keep it steady. On the left. So, perfect. That's all. Tightening this last one. Let's get the mattress. Needs to be perfectly centered. Just a little to the right. Perfect. Ready for final check? Keep it steady. Almost in. Hand the drill. Got it. Tighten this. Okay, secure. All right, press it in. Okay, that's seated. Yeah, looks good. I got the top stabilized. Okay. Securing the bottom hinge now.